In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Calendly account. First things first, let's talk about why someone might want to delete their Calendly account. Perhaps you're streamlining your digital tools, or you found an alternative scheduling app that fits your needs better. Whatever your reason, it's important to know how to properly close your account to ensure your information is securely handled. Kicking off the process is fairly straightforward. Begin by navigating to the Calendly homepage. This is where your journey to account deletion begins. Remember, it's always a good move to double check that you're ready to say goodbye, as this action is irreversible. Once you've landed on the Calendly site, locate the login button. It's your gateway to accessing your account details, and from there, making the necessary changes. Clicking on it might bring back memories of all the scheduling you've done, so take a moment to reflect if you're sure about this decision. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to log in. For those of you who've used Google to sign up for Calendly, you'll click on Continue with Google. This step is as simple as it sounds, but it's a critical part of the process. It's about ensuring that the account you wish to delete is indeed yours, securing your digital footprint. Next, you will have to select the Google account associated with your Calendly account. This might seem like a small step, but it's about precision, making sure the right account is being accessed for deletion. Once you've selected your account, you'll click Continue. This part is pretty much standard procedure in verifying your identity. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself back on the Calendly dashboard. Now, this is where things start to get real. Navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located at the top right corner. This action is akin to turning the key to unlock your account settings. Here you'll select Profile from the drop-down menu. This section is essentially the command center for your personal settings. It's where you can adjust your preferences, or in this case, initiate the deletion process. After clicking on Profile, you'll be directed to a new page. Look for the Delete Account option. It's important to carefully read through any warnings or messages Calendly provides at this stage. Deleting your account is a permanent action that cannot be undone. Calendly may also offer alternatives to account deletion, such as pausing your account or reaching out to support for help with any issues you're facing. Seriously consider these options before moving forward. By clicking Delete Account, you'll be taking the final step in this process. You might be asked to provide a reason for leaving, which can help improve Calendly for others in the future. After confirming your decision, your account, along with all its data, will be permanently removed. Completing this process not only removes your account, but also signals the end of your scheduling journey with Calendly. Whether you're moving on to a different platform or cutting down on your digital tools, be sure that you've exported or backed up all necessary data before deletion. It's also wise to log out and close your browser after deleting your account as an added measure of digital security. And just like that, you've successfully deleted your Calendly account. In closing, while saying goodbye to a service you've once utilized can feel a bit strange, it's all part of managing your online presence and digital tools. Always remember to take these steps thoughtfully and ensure you're making the best decision for your digital organization needs. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life efficiently. Until next time.